Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dapolkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 19, OV 155. यथा कर्म यथा श्रुत, जैसा अभ्यास तैसे हित, हेची या अध्यायातील इंगित, हेच बोधामृत येथीचे. The reward will be as per the deeds. The welfare depends upon the efforts. This is the essence of this chapter, and this itself is the nectar-like preaching. अनन्याश्चिंतयन्तो माम, हेच भगवद्गीता वर्म, ऐशा नित्ययुक्ताचा योगक्षेम, चालवी प्रकाम गोविंद. Meditate upon me single-mindedly is the essence of the Bhagavad Gita. God takes full responsibility for the welfare of such persons who have fully devoted themselves to Him. हा गोड उपदेश ऐकून उभे राही स्मृतीचे वचन, देवान भावयतानेन मग ते तुझ लागून कळवळती. Having heard this valuable advice, I am reminded of a quotation from the Smritis. Without the slightest doubt, worship the gods, and then they will take pity on you. तुम्ही जोर काढू लागा, दुधाची काळजी सर्वस्वी त्यागा, वाटी घेऊनी उभाच मी मागा, पृष्ठभागा आहे की. You should take pains, but give up worrying about the results completely. I am present, standing behind you, and carrying the pot of milk to give you the fruits. Thus, I am always backing you. म्हणाल जोरम्या काढावे, दुधाचे प्याले तुम्ही रचवावे, हे तो आपणा नाही ठावे, दक्ष असावे कार्यार्थी. But if you think that I should exert and you should only drink the milk abundantly, I will not agree with this. On the contrary, you should be alert and perform the actions. Be active and work for it. हे बाबांची प्रतिज्ञावाणी, प्रमाण मानोनी वर्ततील जे कोणी, इह परत्र सुखाची खाणी, गाठिली तयानी जाणावे. These are Baba's sayings or charters. Whoever will accept these words as the truth, he will enjoy the mine of happiness in this world as well as the world beyond. आता आणिक विनवितो श्रोता, क्षणैक सुस्थिर करावे चित्ता, परिसा एक स्वानुभव कथा, निश्चय पोषकता साईंची. Now, I beg the indulgence of the listeners to listen to another personal experience which shows Sai's nurturing nature. सद्वृत्तीचे करिता नियमन, महाराज देती कैसे उत्तेजन, परिसा ओठ हालविल्या वाचून, अनुग्रहदान साईंचे. If you take a vow to do some good, how Maharaj encourages you. Listen without questioning and observe Sai's manner of blessing. भक्ते अनन्य शरण भावे, कौतुक भक्तीचे अवलोकावे, मग साईंच्या कळेचे नवलावे, अनुभवावे नित्य नवे. A devotee should surrender unconditionally and observe the remarkable results of devotion. Each day will unfold a new miraculous deed of Sai. असो प्रातःकाळीचे प्रहरी, सुषुप्तीतूनी येता जागरी, सद्वृत्तीची उठता लहरी, तीच निर्धारी वाढवावी. Be it so. If a good thought comes to your mind immediately on waking up in the morning, you should foster it. त्याच वृत्तीचा परिपोष, होता होईल अति संतोष, बुद्धी ही पावेल विकास, hoila manasa prasannata. If such a thought continues to prosper, it will bring contentment, sharpen the intellect, and please the mind.